Deciding to pursue a master's degree in sustainable tourism, my original thinking was that the program and line of work is a great way to help others and the environment we live in. The main animal I was thinking of were sharks. Their populations have been rapidly declining because, like many other resources, in order to produce a profit, the resource is exploited. By using tourism as a tool to give sharks more of a value alive and show people that they are not an animal to be feared, but respected, the extreme killing of these animals can decrease. For this reason, the Ecocean case study struck a note with me. Ecocean is an Australian non-profit organization started by Brad Norman that uses tourism as a way to show tourists and locals the value of whale sharks and to protect the species. Norman has not only shown tourists that whale sharks deserve more protection, but has also, with the help of NASA, developed a database that compiles all of the pictures taken of whale sharks and matches them, as whale sharks can be identified by their unique pattern of spots. And therefore, these animals can be tracked throughout their migration routes that are still vastly unknown. This study is a great example of how tourism can be used as a conservation tool. With ecotourism rising in popularity, these types of organizations will become more prevalent. The fourth case study, the Travelers Philanthropy Handbook, is somewhat similar to the Ecocean case study in that tourism is still used as a means to an end. The Travelers Philanthropy Handbook is a tourism tool that helps to improve the quality of life around the world. Local communities are the most knowledgeable about the area they live in. Therefore, employing locals in the tourism industry is helpful for everyone. For local communities, tourism provides jobs, healthcare, education, and pride. For the tourists and employers, indigenous people provide information little known to outsiders. This industry empowers locals and improves quality of life for those in developing countries. The second case study was very informative with the progress hotels are making in the tourism industry. However, due to my personal goals, the study was not as beneficial to me as studies 1 and 4. This information is very uplifting, seeing the changes communities and destinations are making to become more sustainable. This study goes into detail about communities in Costa Rica and how they are keeping up with the ecotourism name. 5 hotels are explored to show the changes being made to become more sustainable. Waste, water and energy usage, and local benefits are all issues that are talked about. Each hotel has methods to overcome these issues, such as growing their own food. The third case study, working with communities, although along the lines of what I would like to do with my degree, was not as helpful as the Ecocean and Travelers Philanthropy Handbook studies. This study delves into the effects of communities on tourism. When local communities are not supportive of the industry, the destination could get a bad name and lose visitors. By working with and involving locals, the relationship between the tourism industry and the destination community can grow and the triple bottom line can be achieved.